Hello everyone, my name is Megha. Today I am going to explain Azure Cognitive Services. This is assignment 4. Okay, in this assignment, first we are doing what is cognitive services. In cognitive services are a bunch of AI calculation and that Microsoft has created to tackle issues in the field of artificial intelligence, and the objective of cognitive services is democratize AI by bundling it into discrete parts that are simple for designer to use their own applications. Like coding services we use for image scanning, even different processes we can use cognitive services. uh, what is an image classifier? Well, image classifier is one tool which is used for scan the photographs and train a model, and remember the utilize name and the structure and object in the picture and target classes. This is the image classifier. Okay. And image classifier also used in to process the image and scan the image one by one. We can, like for example, if we select one bird and bird or animal, so the this image classifier by default to train and scan the image and the give the perfect or estimated prediction for this image. Okay, next is this is the objectives. Like first we have use of Azure Cognitive Services tools, and second is we you utilize the customers AI for the picture arrangement and playing a shorter test on prepare model. Utilize the another picture and decide the proficiencies. This is our objective. My next is steps. There are 5 steps in this project. First one is create new project. We can create a project and give a new name. Then next is create new text, upload images, train images, train the data, and next is quick test. So quick test is used for the testing. So now we go for the demo. So this is my demo. This is the tool customize vision, custom vision. This is my project. My project name is image scanning, and in this image scanning I added multiple items like furniture. I particular select one topic is like furniture, and in this furniture I added bed, cabinet, chair, cot, and table. So we can now I will give a demo. So there is a search for tags. So all predicted images here. So first of all, this is a training images. For this we can add tag name. So the all tags are here. Now I will add um, okay, cupboard. Okay, and this cupboard there is a cupboard. Okay, now we can add images, and we can select images from here. The many images here, like I can select this one, open my text is cupboard. upload the file. Done successfully. Okay, this is now great. This one is one cupboard here. Okay, now go for, this is all images here. This is image description, performance. First of all, we go for train, quick train. Okay, can't train, just quick test. We go for quick test. First of all, we have to select image. The impression one. Okay, now we'll select this one. This is the prediction table, furniture, chair, cabinet, and bed. There is a prediction of this image. So, but probably this prediction is almost right. Quick test. Select image from browser. Okay, this one. Okay. 98 point furniture. Okay, this is quick test. Okay, this is my demo. Now go for PPT. This, okay, fun. Well, for image classification, I used furniture, so I have used 5 categories: beds, couch, couch, cabinet, chair, and table. This is the creation and tag and uploading images. Here the screenshots of creation and uploading images. There is a performance. Oh yeah, one more thing we can do like this in performance. So probably this one is, we can select the probability here. Okay, now it's a quick test. Quick test screenshots is a prediction, and this is video link. Okay, thank you. This is my assignment 4.